especially if it's a Lamborghini, I tell them, I'm like, you probably should try and drive something easier before you drive that, because that is a pretty hard car to drive.
It's glad you got air conditioning.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, you think of that one, you think straight, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, it does all right in the corners. It's not too bad, but it's a big, heavy boat. I mean, it feels like, I mean, even when you're in those Chargers, like, you could tell that was a heavy car, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it had the roll with it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this, you really won't feel that.
Are the rear view mirrors for you?
Yep, mirrors are all adjusted for me. That way, all you got to worry about is driving and listen to me. All right, so we don't really worry about the gapping until we get all the way to where almost getting out onto the track. Remember how you stayed on this side of those cones and you entered the track the last second? Right there is where I'm going to have you lift off of the gas and coast to try and build a nice gap to him. If we end up catching him, I always can get on the radio and get you around him. Same thing though, if there's someone behind you that's faster, I'm going to let you know and I take care of all of it. Most important thing, be smooth, have fun, all right, man? All right, yeah, so this cone is what I'm talking about. You don't need to brake, just lift off the gas and coast. And you can give it just a little bit of gas, just a little bit. Trying to let him get all the way there. All right, that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and head on out. So next time we come through here, this is a big brake zone, right? This time, exactly. This time, don't worry about the brakes. Orange cone, green cone. After that green cone, let the Corvette swing all the way out to the orange cone, then bring it into that green cone. After that green cone, that's when you can start rolling on that throttle and you can go full throttle. Awesome, then lift, give it a little gas so you can maintain that speed through here. Then go orange cone to green cone. Awesome. All right, very light brake. That's good. Off that brake, go ahead and turn it into the green cone. And after that green cone, bring it all the way out to your side. And then bring it back to the brakes. Pretty tight turn here, bring it into the green cone. Nice, let the Corvette swing on out. Don't worry about that red cone. I want you to stay all the way out though to that orange, and then tell that Corvette to come in. Just like that. Perfect, all the way over to my side. Orange cone to green cone. Now you're gonna look for those two other green cones on my side. Slowly bring the Corvette, nice and easy, over to my side. Hug my side. And then go back to those brakes. Orange cone to the green cone. And then you want to brake in a straight line towards the orange cone. Slowest, tightest turn. Bring it into that green. Nice, roll on that gas as we exit. And then you're going to go orange cone all the way over to your side. Here's deception, so very light brake. Orange cone, green cone, hug my side. Nice, roll on that gas. Orange cone to the green on your side. As soon as we're up over that hill, roll on that throttle and lift, and then brakes. Nice, then go orange to green, hug my side. Keep hugging it, turn more and more and more. There you go. Now unwind that wheel, go full throttle. There you go. Keep it going. And lift. And give me some brake. Off that brake, carry this speed into the next. So all the way over. Now on the brakes. A little bit more. And turn in, green cone. All right, you ready for lap 2?
Yeah.
All right, swing on out. Back on in. Start rolling on that throttle. Go full throttle. There you go. And then lift. Bring it on over. Yep, a little gas to maintain that speed. Go back over to your side. And now give me some brake. And off that brake, bring it into that green cone. Tight to my side. On over to your side. And then do some braking for a decently tight turn. Bring it in green cone on turn 6. Swing on out. Nice. Remember, don't worry about that brake cone. All the way to the orange. Tell that car to come into the green. Swing on over. Orange cone to green cone. Hold it tight to your side. Now we got 2 green cones on my side. Bring it on over. Nice, and back to those brakes. Orange cone to the green cone, brake in a straight line. All the way. We got a green Porsche right behind us, so I'm gonna have you turn in. I'm gonna have you swing out to my side. We're gonna let him go on the inside. So come over to my side, off the gas. Let that Porsche go, off the gas just a second. Let him go around. All right, go ahead and resume. Orange cone to the green cone. Hug my side. There you go. Rolling that gas a little bit here. Pick that speed up. Orange cone to green cone. Nice. Back on that power for a little bit. Then lift and brakes. Bring it in. Green cone. There you go. Yes. Much better. Much better. See how much tighter you can do that? All right, man. Full throttle. Keeping it going. Nice. Keep it going. And then lift and brakes. Nice. And then off that brake, carry that speed into turn 1. And then once you're in a straight line, do all your braking. Nice. Bring it in. Green cone. All right. You ready for turn 3 or lap 3?
Yeah.
Bring it in. Green cone. Back to that power. There you go. Roll on that gas. Keep it going. And lift. Bring it on over to my side. Going back over to your side. And then, yep, just a little bit of brake. Off that brake. Bring it on into that green cone. Swing on out. Same thing we've been doing. Give me some brake all the way to the orange. Turn into the green. And bring it on out. A little bit of gas right here is okay. Don't worry about the brake. Orange cone, green cone. It's all right. Just tighten that wheel up a little bit. You'll make it. Orange cone, the green cone. Nice. Roll that throttle a little bit. And get ready to hug my side. Keep hugging my side. And now give me some brakes. Off the brake. Turn in. Green cone. Do exactly what we did last time. Brake in a straight line towards the orange. Off the brake. Turn into the green. After that green, roll on that throttle. Orange cone on over. Very light brake. Off the brake. Orange to green. Hug my side as we go through deception. Orange to green. All right, one last time. Roll on that throttle. Lift, brake, and we're going straight to go back into the pits.
Awesome.
So how was that?
It was awesome.
A little bit different than, you ever been in any of the other previous generation Vettes?
My stepdad had actually, let's see, it was a distinct.
Okay. So, not bad, man. Even after that Porsche passed us, we kept up with it.
Yeah, no, that's awesome. I appreciate it.
No problem, man. Thank you.